both my parents are physical therapists, and growing up I was always very envious that they got to like make a difference, truly make a difference in somebody's life, and I knew I didn't want to do anything medical, so I was very, jealous that they got to actually make an impact. And so I didn't really realize that until I got into real estate, and I was like, man, I'm helping somebody make the largest financial decision of their life, and it's cool to help somebody like that if you're good at it, My major at Auburn was entrepreneurial business and family business management. During COVID, one career wasn't enough. I loved corporate as far as teaching me certain things, but I was like, I'll just get my real estate license. And so then I did them simultaneously and very quickly realized how much I loved working on my own. I just love life. So I do, I'm passionate about, I'm very competitive. I played sports growing up, so whenever there's something like negotiating and the aspect of like trying to win the house or get my sellers the best dollar for their house, that kind of thing, that's something I'm truly passionate about, because you can kind of see it come to fruition and you see the end result and you get to be there throughout the whole process, and I don't know, it's invaluable. Like I said, it's just something that not a lot of people get to do. When I meet somebody and ask them questions about their life and find out, what do they want, what's their end goal, what would be best suited for their lifestyle or their what's the best fit for their life, and so coming up with a strategy and a I guess protocol as to, hey, we need to execute A, B, C, and D to make sure that we get all the way to Z. That's kind of how I go to my go-to-market strategy. And it's neat to, if you really truly listen to your buyers or your sellers and what they want, if you really listen to them, there's a fit for everybody. I mean, if they don't get a house that they really thought they wanted, it's going to mean that the next one, or the one that they end up getting, they're going to love more than that one. Or if we get under contract and it doesn't work out, there's always, everything happens for a reason, and so you just see things come to fruition right in front of your face, which is pretty cool.
Texting or talking?
Talking.
Last song you listened to on your playlist?
We Are the Champion by Carrie Underwood.
Scale of 1 to 10, how good of a driver are you?
Depends on who you ask. I feel like I'm a very efficient driver, so I would say I'm a 9, 8. If you ask my brother, he would say more a 4. But
boy, there's a difference there.
Well, I'm just very efficient. I like to, everything I do is fast. I talk fast. Everything I do is fast.
Celebrity crush?
Well, I just got engaged, so it's probably my Superman fiance that a battalion chief at the fire department. But no, let's see. Celebrity crush would be Kenny Chesney.
Oh wow. Favorite junk food?
Favorite junk food? Red bag of Skittles.
Favorite show growing up as a kid?
Saved by the Bell. Zach and Slater. Woo, Lord.
What's for dinner tonight?
Hopefully pizza.
Cake or pie?
Funfetti cake. Just like funfetti box cake is like my jam. I mean, my sister-in-law made me a homemade funfetti cake, and I was like, it was fun. It's just, there's nothing better than a box funfetti.
Can you say "G'day, mate" in an Australian accent?
Good day, mate. I've always been passionate about houses, and I love helping people, and so it was just something that I decided to go into. And get to be part of people's chapters like that is just very invaluable.